With my wife and nanay and
Ay, kala ko ano yun, picture.
and Isha. Second church. Church. Laredel, Bulacan. Third church sa St. James. Next stop na pa natin ay Santissima Trinidad. Hip church na tayo.
Ha?
Hip
Yes, hip.
church. Dalawang church na lang po. Sa Cathedral and Bulacan. Ano po, last church na po natin, 7th church na po. Sa Bulacan po tayo. Yung final church. So, yay! Hi guys, natapos na natin yung 7 churches. Ang unang church na pinuntahan natin ay yung Giginto Church, and then the second, Santa Rita, Laredel Church, Santissima Trinidad Church, Santa Isabel Church, sa Cathedral Church Malolos, and then this the last one, Nuestra Señora de la Asunción ng Bulacan.